Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to move files from or onto your USB drive on Samsung S25. I have my USB drive already plugged in, as you can see. If you don't have a drive that is on USB-C, or you want to specifically use a USB-A driver, then you should get an adapter from USB-C to USB-A. They aren't too expensive, by the way. And now, all you need to do is simply go to My Files app, then point to your USB storage. Now, if you want to copy files from it, simply find the file you want to copy, press and hold on it, click on copy, and select internal storage on the top list, then select where to copy it. I'm gonna find the documents, then copy it here. Now it's copied. If you want to copy files from your internal storage, click on internal storage, then find the file you want to copy. I think I may go to documents, DCIM, camera. And now find the photo that I have taken with this phone, press and hold on it, click on copy, and select the USB storage. Although for my own reasons I cannot copy here, but you can just click on copy here in most cases. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.